fact, could not make it at the beginning of the day, who's going to join us now. Please join me in welcoming Mr. Konstantin Tsanis, Senior Investment Officer, FinTech and Digital Banking, World Bank, which now I have a feeling the job title has changed. However, Konstantin is going to be talking about digital bank transformations around the world. Konstantin, the virtual stage over to you. To around the world.
Yes, thank you very much, Mohammed. Very pleased to be here again. Just to confirm, can you see my screen?
Absolutely, yes, we can.
Great, great. So thanks very much, Mohammed. So just to confirm, I'm a digital banking specialist in the IFC, and before that, I built some digital banks in the Middle East and Africa. That's why, we are using this global perspective here. So what I intend to do in the next few slides is I want to discuss some experiences we have from digital banking engagements around the world. Okay, so first of all, digital banking transformation is happening rapidly around the world and is transforming business model, operations, and customer experience. And this is affecting all the industries, including, of course, the banking industry, okay? There are multiple challenges that the banking industry is facing, and this is helping them to overcome them. The specific challenges they are facing is channel overload. There are traditional channels which are very busy. There are specific budget challenges, and there are also requirements for revenue growth, and there are limitations and cost cutting. So all of these different challenges, they are making digital transformation imperative. So digital transformation is multifaceted and accelerated, and the FIs indeed need to act quicker. The transformation that is happening is in multiple ways. It's leadership transformation, cultivating a beginner's mindset and embracing the need for change. Is omni-experience transformation, being cohesive of different customer touchpoints and having easy and accessible channels. Information transformation, leveraging big data and analytics. Work source transformation, how we're changing the culture and how do smart working, and operating model transformation as well. So there are multiple types of transformations are happening, and we have seen this around the world. And the need to react to market pressure has never been more urgent. Examples include, the cloud, like the new applications are being implemented on private clouds. Mobile banking, there are a lot of changes happening in the mobile offerings and all of that, and there are multiple changes in the analytics space as well. So there are multiple changes happening around the world following specific technologies. However, there is a clear roadmap that can help define a digital transformation, and this has to do. We assess the current state on people, on process, on technologies, and on content, and ultimately we identify gaps in order to achieve the future vision. Right. So this is the way the framework we are using in these global transformations we are pursuing. Okay, and then we move further to see in more details the outcomes of digital transformation. You can see reductions in cost to income ratio. We can see increase in operating profits. We can see higher margins in the incumbents that have engaged in digital banking, and we can see also increase in numbers of customer acquisition. So there are multiple benefits. However, many organizations fail, and there are multiple reasons for that. Maybe there is lack of well-defined strategy and roadmap. Maybe there are challenges to execute digital strategy. And however, you can see the numbers of failure are quite big. Now, we will focus on some lessons we have seen on the best practices of digital transformations. First of all, it's very important to do correctly the investment, the business case. Okay, what we see in some cases is that a lot of investments. So it's good to make the business case in the correct from the correct person and reach the correct level of seniority. Number two, a lot of people, a lot of entities also are pursuing digitization instead of digitalization, okay? And this is essentially speaking about not regarding digitalization as serious as it should be. So this is the second thing. The third is legacy in issues that are coming from legacy systems, right? And this is one of the biggest challenges because essentially we're speaking about the issues that can come from old infrastructure, old processes, and old assets. Then also it is uh, the banking processes, right? So what we see is that processes are established in department level rather than being granular and having, and being more like international and having an overall holistic perspective on revamping the processes. The next one is data transformation. And essentially, we see the banks ignoring the value of data. And last but not least, also is IT and data architecture failures. So this is the other type of main challenge that we see. The next category is the leader of the transformation. Okay, so this is another main issue that we have seen happening. Essentially, it's not clear. It's not clear. It's not clear that they are leading who is the leader of the transformation. The next one is lack of understanding and the necessity of this transformation. Essentially, not many people are buying it, are not participating on it, and this leads to failures on the implementation. The next one is the issues in collaboration between business and the technical teams, and we see that essentially digital is the responsibility of the technical people, while it should be of also the business people involved. The next one is that a strong business culture that leads to issues in the implementation, on the resistance to change, on having different issues on implementing and measuring performance. And the two last main issues we see is lack of upskilling and a resistance to change. That's happening in all the organizations, and also issues with communication and management of change expectations. So these are all the different issues we have seen over the years. And I'm very happy to discuss these issues and highlight them further if you have any other questions. Thank you very much for your time, and I'm here for any questions you might have.
Absolute pleasure having you here, hearing you talk, giving details of, especially, you bringing the case studies from across the globe. For now, we do not have any questions. As and when we do, what I will do is I will go ahead and share them with you in order for you, to address any questions, concerns, emails that we have, so that you could address them back to the users we receive them from. Is that okay?
Thank you very much, Mohammed. Thank you. Mohammed, only one thing